my eye they pay me, I'll be waiting for this. Ah, no. Baby! Ah! What is this now? How much did you send?
What do you mean by what is this? That's money for the children's school fees.
How much are you sending to me? This thing can never pay one person's school fees. You're telling me what I don't know.
Have you forgotten that we have to cut?
Which course are we cutting down? Am I the principal of the school? How much? What kind of money is this now?
Find your way around it.
Am I the principal of the school? Find me around what? You are going. Where are you going to? Look at this man, no. Hey! Atakamgata, Mami Mari. Sorry, Bemuri Berry.
What was that keke man doing in the compound?
Hey, Gane! Bring your sister clothes for me to the parlor. Honey, welcome. You say waiting.
What was that keke man doing in the compound?
Nine. You know now we're trying to cut down costs. So our children will not be using school bus again. It's not keke they'll be using.
What is the meaning of all these things here?
Of all which thing? See, as we're trying to cut down costs, now I say make I sell our children lunch box and feeding bottle. I can't go get this one now. Now this one they go they carry go school. I they try fill them down for them. Now their feeding bottle be this, I be water bottle. Anyone you call them. Hey, God help us. So since we're not cutting down costs on everything, let us all be mad. Hi, welcome.
You are welcome, madam. Madam, I am Professor Watorota, a certified teacher. They call me Professor Too Sabi. You know, and I'm here because of your child.
My child?
I have been teaching for the past 35 years.
You don't mean it?
Yes, I taught during the Biafran War, and since that time I've been taught. I've taught all kind of children. Deformed, Chris Womson, all kind of children, we have taught them. And any child that we teach, his life never remain the same. I'm telling you.
The man we have been waiting for. Oh, baby, that's my husband.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
You're welcome, sir. I greet you specially, sir. You're welcome. My name is Professor Watorota, aka Professor Too Sabi. Or you can call me Mr. Watorota.
Yes.
I'm from the Federation of Nigerian Comedy. Sorry, the Federation of, you know. And I was telling your wife before you came that I'm here because of your children.
Now our children knew, we like call you lecturer or principal. Abi, the school where they go. Now I'm going to teach them for the school.
I'm in charge.
He's in charge.
You can call me the proprietor.
The proprietor. So how far the uniform now?
I brought it. The uniform is here. That one is not a problem. Yes, it's here. Your child is 9 years old.
Yes, 9 years.
So, but I brought the uniform fit for a child of 15 years. Do you know why? I know you want.
But it is going to be too big.
Now, 15.
Let me explain to you. Your child is 9. How many years did I add extra to make it 15?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 years.
6 years. You had to count it to know it. Are you sure you pass math? Why I do that is very simple. I did it like that because as a school teacher with experience, we know that if I allow you, if I bring 9 years child uniform, you'll be spending money every year to buy uniform. It's to help you save financial costing. So instead of you to be buying uniform every year, you buy a new one. Every year you buy a new one. For the next 6 years that your child will be in that school, you will not spend money for uniform. You know what will happen? Every year, the uniform will be sizing the child. On I got from class to class. Uniform and I buy from class to class. You will spend money.
You are the type my husband has been looking for. You help us to
cut down costs.
Hey, honey, how do you see it? Our children will grow into the uniform.
Yes.
Eh? How you see them? No go to spend money every year on uniform now. Hey, Ago.
You will not have any business with any tailor.
Hey, what happened? What's in that?
It is the sole of my shoe. It has a sole of its own. But it is okay. But you remember that there are people that did not even have shoe. And they found their way to the presidential villa.
Hey, don't mean it.
So your children are safe.
They are safe.
With us.
Yes.
Professor Tusabi International Academy.
Jesus.
You can go there.
Your children are safe.
They are safe.
You can.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You did not take the uniform again.
Oh, the uniform. Oh, yeah, bring
No, get it. Don't worry. We'll call you.
We won't call you.
We'll call you.
Do you mean you will get back to me?
We'll get back to you. We'll call you.
This is what somebody told me 35 years ago. Today he has not gotten back to me.
We'll call you.
Are you sure?
Trust me, we'll call you.
Yeah,
We'll call you.
We'll call you.
Are you?
We call you. We call you.
My children will not, cannot, and will never go to that school.
They don't go to school finish. Now tomorrow I want pay school fees. Oh, Jesus, my back. Cut down cost. Hashi. Huh?
That is unacceptable. Maybe go and get me some alcohol, because at least I know I gave you money for that one.
You did.
Can I get some, please?
Why not? Which one be please? With their office.
Even my great-grandfather will never go to that kind of school.
I go. This one where they boil. Away.
Bring it, turn and bring it close again.
I don't do it. I gotta drink this thing because hey, I don't tire.
Oh no.
Go. You pass more, you give me small now.
This one is not for you. It's for this one is not for, it's for only me.
Drinking.
What is the meaning of this?
What happened?
This is my brand, but this is not how it tastes now. Is this expired?
Has it expired? Oh, okay. I think they worry your memory now. Now, this thing where I go, streets, you know those people where they hawk spirit for road, those women where they carry them for head. I see them. I can't see Agbiru. I can't ask Agbiru, say, wait till I go buy. Where this are my budget. Wait till I buy. They can't recommend this brand for me. Say, this thing where you like, the sachet type, they taste the same way. Now why I buy them? As I buy them, I can't pour them inside one container. I can't see say the thing small. You know say the money will give me small now. I can't put water inside the thing. The thing can't rise. I can't pour them inside here. I can't say this one go reach you where we go reach you like for like 2 months. Go they pour water inside, You know say we want the cut down costs. How you see them now? Hi. Let's continue cutting. Waiting do your belly. I don't know. You know taste the same way.
Oh no.
It's supposed to taste now. You just have to recommend them.
My stomach.
No, you know say we dey try cut down costs. I say make I help you manage. Sorry. Very soon we'll get used to the taste. Acquired taste.
I want shit.
What happen? You know they taste the same way. You for drink and now manage them. They used to the taste. One cut down cost.